Hi everyone. Let's attempt this RBI Assistant 2026 Prelims Advanced Test 1 of Olive Board. So let's start this test now. The diploma course would offer remote access to course materials via the Internet's World Wide Web. Diploma course would offer remote access to course materials via the Internet's World Wide Web. If time be of all thing, the most precious wasting time must be the greatest prodigality. If time be of all thing, A. If time be of all things, the Broadcasting Act allows ministers to prescribe any channel that C. Patriotism is your conviction that this country is superior to all another countries because you were born in it. Superior to all another नहीं होगा all other होना चाहिए. My family has left it on me to take care of my aging mother. Has left it on me. Aging mother. All are correct. My family has left on me to take care. Aging mother. All are correct. Decades ago, work colleague throughout. Decades ago, I used to work in Kolkata and a colleague and I were walking throughout the college. All are correct. The tendency to put off difficult tasks who we don't want. That we don't want to face. Many scientists are discussing an important question of where this great swarm of galaxies have come from. Where this great swarm has come from. But still they are unable to find a reliable answer. Where this great swarm of galaxies has. She liked the wallpaper in her room, but her mother insisted to replacing it with. But her mother insisted on replacing it. ठीक है. Economic activities led to culmination of Great Depression. The Great Depression, consumer demand. Stock market जब crash हुआ, which was linked a rash of bank failures, stimulate the but ultimately it took the manufacturing production increases of World War II to end the Great Depression. A millionaire, the global. How did economic activities the causes the rise in Which of the following does not describe the reason behind slowing consumer demand? ये बताता है the unchecked expansion of stock market. Banks in thrively, ये होगा industry slow down. ठीक है. The day is termed as black day because ये दिख रहा है black Thursday. As a record, shares were traded that day, known as Black Thursday. अच्छा एक मिनट. On October, nervous investors began selling overpriced shares. The stock market crash that some had feared happened at last. A war broke out, crashed on that day. यही होगा. Why was the period between 1920 referred to as Roaring Twenties? Nation's total wealth more than doubled between capital United's economic prosperity during the. Which of the following correct regarding the conditions at the New York Stock Exchange? New York correct regarding conditions at the New York Stock Exchange. New York on stock market centered was a center of reckless speculation. There, ठीक है, everyone from tycoons to cooks and janitors powered their savings into stocks. People from, ठीक है, the stock market large contraction, the stock market rapid expansion. Only 1 and 2 होगा. ठीक है. Which of the following statement correct about the economy during the summer of year 1929? Summer of 1920, stock market crashed. ये नहीं करना. Replace the rapidly. Describes the meaning of the phrase stratospheric levels. ये है कहाँ पे stratospheric? American mild recession. अच्छा ये यहाँ पे इसका आंसर मिल गया. Mild recession. The production यहाँ पे आ गया. The American entered a mild recession. Consumer spending slowed. And unsold goods began to pile up, which in turn slowed factory production. The production reduced. ठीक है. Correct. Only one. Stock market rising consistently. Nonetheless, stock prices and by the fall of that year reached rising constantly. ये भी होगा. The economy faced with recession during the time. Mild recession. ठीक है. All होगा. एक मिनट. 17. Which of the following options correctly describe the meaning of the phrase? ये stratospheric levels बाद में करते हैं. With only program began named for that provided. ये starting लग रहा है. Mayor's Foundation the एक से कोई start होता है. Program began and named for the month. इसे तो कोई शुरू ही नहीं होता. Mayor's Foundation the best foundation named for the CEC से शुरू होना चाहिए. I don't think कोई होगा. Across the various texts created by like the theme that emerges the simplicity is a theme that emerges. The significance of art, creativity, and cultural life is a theme that emerges across various texts. नहीं. DVC तक तो ठीक है. Theme that emerges implicitly and explicitly across the various texts. यही होगा. Of our dance moves A से शुरू करें. नहीं. B से we young ballet students were rather preoccupied with the books of our dance moves, with technical perfection, whether our arms and legs trace the right lines and shapes. C से where A और C तो नहीं होगा. D से and whether our नहीं. बी हो सकता है, या तो ये होगा. मार्क पर रिव्यू करो, इसको आगे बढ़ो. Concomitant loss of autonomy has trapped many of them inside the during the current pandemic, the rising financial insecurity of many women in a new and dangerous twist. E से नहीं. A से concomitant loss of autonomy has the rising has the AD नहीं होगा. B trapped नहीं. C during the current pandemic and their concomitant loss of autonomy has the rising नहीं. None of the options is correct. एक मुझे A से लग रहा है सही. A concomitant loss of autonomy has trapped many of them inside the A B होगा. A कहीं दिख रहा है. A B I can see just here. E से in a new and dangerous twist, the rising financial insecurity of many women during the current pandemic and their uh, in a new and dangerous twist, the rising financial insecurity of many women during the current pandemic and their concomitant loss of autonomy has trapped many of them inside the home. EDCAB होना चाहिए. Then preserve. They work to preserve the. ठीक है. He used a special technique to preserve. ठीक है. She preserved with great effort, persevered, even in challenging. 1-2. He tries to maintain his fitness. ठीक है. They maintain their project plan despite. ठीक है. She maintained her stance. सब होगा. Despite the Liberal and Settlers Association attempt to border police border. ठीक है. Khazar does not seem to have been much disheartened and depressed by his misfortunes. He possessed in his early life more than the usual share of bouncy and buoyancy and light-heartedness of youth, and he went away from Rome to enter perhaps upon years of exile and wandering with a determination to face boldly and to brave the evils and dangers which surrounded him and not to succumb to them. ठीक है. Sometimes those who become great in their mature years um, are throttle, thoughtful, grave, symmetry, नहीं, death, throttle, thoughtful, grave, and sedate when young. It sometimes became mature. Thoughtful, symmetry, thoughts. Throttle होना चाहिए. Thought एक negative word दिख रहा है, बाकी तो सब positive ही दिख रहा है. He was of a very gay and lively disposition. He was tall and handsome in his person, fascinating in his manners, and fond of society, as people always are who know or who suppose that they shine in it. He had seemed in a he has seemed in a letter during his residence in a paragraph in a passage. And fond of society as people always are who know or who suppose that they shine in it. He had seemed in a residence wholly uh, wholly intent under the pleasures of intent. ये तो मुझे नहीं आ रहा है. I don't think I should attempt this. ये कर लूँ. Known or who suppose that they shine. He had seemed in a verb. during his residence, wholly intent, pleasures of, and upon the personal observation which his rank, his wealth, his agreeable manners, and his position in society secured for him. That day shined, he had seemed in a passage, he had seemed in a letter, in a word, in a paragraph, in a word, during his residence, in a word, in a word कह सकते हैं. He was tall and fond of society, as people always who are who know or who suppose that they shine it. He had seemed in a letter during his residence, in a word लिखते हैं, in a word. Wholly intent, overt, intent in, wholly intent of the pleasure नहीं होगा, intent under the pleasure नहीं, ये छोड़ो, 20 करते हैं. बी, बी सी डी करते हैं. अरे 20, लेट्स सेव दिस. ठीक है, 17 पे आते हैं. अमेरिकन entered describes the meaning of the phrase stratospheric levels, lower than an uneven distribution in accordance with the market standards, extremely high amount of degree on the verge of depletion. Nonetheless, stock prices continue to rise. Stock prices बढ़ रहे थे, and by the fall of that year had reached that could not be justified status बहुत high कुछ होगा. And according to the market, extremely high amount of degree. चलो ये कर दिया हमने. अब हमें करना है ये. The diploma course would offer remote access to course materials via the diploma course would offer remote access to course materials remote access to course materials via the internets. या डी ही लगा दो, और तो कुछ मुझे गलत दिख ही नहीं रहा है इसमें. ओके, सो वी आर डन विथ दिस ऑल्सो. अब एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा इस पे कॉन्टेम्पलेट करते हैं. ड्यूरिंग हिज रेसिडेंस एट होम, होली intent over the pleasures of a gay and joyous life, and upon the personal observation which his rank, his wealth, his agreeable manners, and his position in society secured for him. Wholly intent upon, intent over होना चाहिए, but I don't know. Caesar does not seem under भी तो लग रहा है. Doesn't India must be certain and possessed in his early life more than the. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next section, where are you? Two, three, three, nine, 27. 27. 3 to the 6 or 9. 6 or 9. 2 to the 4th is a 12 or 3. 3 to the 6, 6, 6, 12. 3, 3 is a 9 or 4. ठीक है, 9, 4, and this is 6, 9. 4 is 9, 6, 9. Relationship cannot be established. 3, 3 is a 9. 2, 5 is a 10. Y देखेगी मैंने तो समझेगी क्या था. 40 minus 5y minus 8. 18 or 5. 5 to the 10 or 9. Minus 10 minus 9 और ये minus 8. Y is greater than x. देखेगी मैंने तो सोचेगी क्या तू. 2 3s are 2. 8. 2 3s are 2 2s are 4. 3s are 12. And 3 5s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4. 23. 20 and 3 हो जाएगा. 2 2s are 4 is 8 24. 3. 2 2s are 4 is 8 9. -8 -9 नहीं, और -8 -9, हाँ ठीक है। और ये 6 हो जाएगा, और ये 20 और 3 क्या हो जाएगा, -20 + 3, तो 20 - 3, ठीक है। एंड दिस वुड बी 15। तो आई होप इट्स विजिबल। तो ये आता है -1.5 से -1.3, ठीक है। एंड देन ये -0.2 से y is greater than x। देखेगी मैनू तो सोचेगी क्या तू, दिस I'm not going to give my precious time। 8:49, 125, 7/5 x, 41, 4, 8, 12, 60। 2, 15। मिट्टी दा बंदा मैं तू तां परी। 17। 28, 5, 12, 48 है। 12 हुआ ना, 5, 12, 36, 4/5, 3, 6 + x, 24, 4, 30, 24, 19, 1, 10, 9, 30, no, 18, 28, then 7, 7, 7, 40, then 37, 20, 3/5 x, 9, 100, 300, 20, 15, 135। I hope this is visible। 28, 23, 15, 30/2, 2, 45, 28, 7, 1, 3। ये क्या करा है? Um, 22 one है. 2 3 3 2 3 22 plus x 5 हो जाए 20 23 60 13 वाला भाई 23 13 no 299 277 30 minus 24 plus 2 32 8 4 7 27 5 15 60 300 1900 into 3 into 4 into 5 3 4 5 6 1800 minus 17 minus 16 8 7 17 17 16 और अगर इसको 15 कर दूँ ये नहीं समझ आ रहा 3 7 15 25 43 63 20 10 8 4 8 18 4 6 8 8 12 कर दूँ इसको 16 कर दूँ तो ये 25 होगा then 504 72 12 2 find 0.8 6 um 6 4 25 बटा 5 8 बटा 4 7 7 7 जा 49 2 ठीक तो है अरे 7 6 5 4 6 2 5 5 2 जा 10.4 7 7 जा 14 into 14 7 6 5 4 4 8 होना चाहिए 0.8 के साथ प्रॉब्लम 14 33 71 145 99 4 7 1 नहीं नहीं 4 5 154 और 4 74 8 38 9 1938 देखो तो 1938 70 145 Number of people who have their own car. मोटरसाइकिल ठीक है. तो इसमें A, B, C, D, E. तो ये तो तुम्हारा 240, 200, 340, 290, 300, 600, 600 माइनस 60, 200, 420, 220, 90, 690, 50, 3, और फिर 40, 5, 540, 290, 50, 2, 2 5 250, 550, 250. Motorcycle in D. This is motorcycle and this is car. Motorcycle in D. 250. Car in B. 20. 200. Then you have 20. Motorcycle in C. Motorcycle in C. 350 to 250. 7 by 5. Motorcycle in city C. Motorcycle in city C 350. And to that of same in city E 50. 7:5 ये मुझे दिख ही नहीं रही, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. How many people, vehicles, how many people have their own vehicle in all 5 cities together? Own vehicle. ठीक है. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1200. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1200. 100. 100 पर 150, 170, 230, 270, 270, 270, then 310, 400, 400, 2400, 2800. People who have motorcycle in A. Motorcycle is what percentage? Car in A 40, 20, 50%. Vessel contains 80 liters milk and 105, both is equal to 5:6. This is milk, this is water. तो 480 is equal to x is equal to 45, 45. Water in the mixture 150. Speed of boat, speed of boat in and current are 5 and 3, 8, 125. Total time speed हो गया तुम्हारा 25 है टोटल. D by 8 plus d by 2. 2d, ये तुम्हारा 4 8 4 5t is equal to 8 125 525 200. What is the distance between 200 आ गया. अब A, B and C 8 12 24. Fill the tank. Open on 1 hour. A B C 24 3 2 1. ठीक है. अब इसमें 3 घंटे में काम हो रहा है 6, तो 24 करना हमको, तो 8 नहीं सॉरी 6 4 12 घंटे. ठीक है. A and B invested in 8 and 6 after 5 months. 5 महीने तक A invested 10 हो गया ये, and B withdrew 5 महीने के बाद ये 5 हो गया. A received तो ये हमारा 7 महीने के बाद. ठीक है. 40 and 30 70 35 65 110 5 2 5 130. ठीक है. अब कहता है A received as his share. A का इतना है तो B receives, तो 11550 by 22 into 13. 11 2 11 1050 2 5 25. तो 525 into 13 कर दो. 15 75 5 2 5 5 2 7 7 5 12 8 6 8 2 5 6 8 2 5. Okay, and we don't have time now. 15 80 each. 15 into 800 plus 20 into 590. 5 3s are 5 4s are 7. 2400 36 23 67 4 6 7 जब 8 68. हाँ ठीक है. एवरेज ऑफ 27 तो कर लिया हमने. अब हो गया बस भाई, बहुत कर लिया. हैबिट का देख सकते हैं. सो हैबिट दो है. WAPT. WA नहीं है, PT है. PT QGSP SP SPO. ये नहीं करेंगे अभी. नहीं, स्टार्ट यहाँ से शुरू किया इसने. ये 9 नॉर्थ गया एंड शॉप पे, देन लेफ्ट टर्न लिया 6 मीटर सिटी, देन लेफ्ट एंड ही वर्क फॉर 9 तो चला ही, इसके साथ साथ 8 मीटर और चला. ठीक है. तो ये पहुंचते हैं भाई साहब अपने होम पहुंच जाते हैं, घर पहुंच जाते हैं. कैंडी शॉप फ्रॉम होम नॉर्थ ईस्ट. स्कूल एंड होम 36 64 10. City is east of Candy. No. Candy shop is in the east of home. नहीं. The school इधर है कॉलेज के. स्कूल कॉलेज के स्कूल से चला ना, ठीक है। सी 9 people, 9 from bottom to top, 9 8 7 6 5 4 2 1, ठीक है। 4 people G and K, K lives on even number, तो K यहाँ है, नहीं तो यहाँ है, नहीं तो यहाँ है, नहीं तो यहाँ है। G G G and G. Now 2 people G and U, ठीक है, and U. D 4th फ्लोर पे रहता है, तो ये चला जाता है, देन ये भी चला जाता है, ये भी चला जाता है, ठीक है। N immediately above P, N immediately above P. V lives below E, V lives below E but above M, so it should be E, V and M. Above M 4. M G K V E, K V E M G, K different है। V immediately above U है, ठीक है। 1 person नहीं, M 5th, हाँ, 1 and 3. V and U 1. Living above is same as below D, 3 है ना, U, ओके चलो। 8 outwards, ठीक है। 14 is adjacent to 16 in, ठीक है। अब कहता है 3 flags are between 6 और 8 के बीच में, less than 3, 0 1 2, ठीक है। एंटी क्लॉक, अरे यार ये नहीं करना मुझे, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम 6 से एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, दिस इज क्लॉकवाइज। तो अगर हम ऐसे देखते हैं तो मतलब 6 और 8, अगर हम ऐसे नहीं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ऐसे देखते हैं तो हाँ ठीक है, 0 1 2, ओके। अब 3 फ्लैग्स 4 और 12 इन है, ठीक है। 12 is second shortest flag, immediately left second shortest 6, ठीक है। और कहता है second tallest flag मतलब 16 to the right of shortest flag 4, ठीक है। 6 12 14 16 6 6, ये 12 हो गया, ये 4 5 6, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 6 12। ऑल्सो उसने ये भी कहा है 12, दिस इज इन, ठीक है। अब कहता है तो ऐसे ही होगा फिर, ठीक है। तो 6 और 8 में, 6 और 8 ऐसे अगर जाते हैं तो 0 तो नहीं होगा, 1 एक होगा, मतलब 8 या तो यहाँ होगा या 2 8 यहाँ होगा, ठीक है। अब व्हाई डू आई फील कि मैं इस पे स्टक हो जाऊंगी। 9 14 16 14 16 6 8 4 16 4 16 16 14 6 12, इसको आगे बढ़ते हैं यार। pairs of in 6 5 8 1 3 4 2 8 7 8 6 7 8 2 3 4 5 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 and 6 तीन ही है. A family is two generations. जो बनाना बेवकूफ़ी होगा. Symbols are preceded. TT symbols. परसेंट है, देन है, देन है, ये है, 4 आ गए. pair of numbers in which a number is succeeded by an number is succeeded by an odd number. This one in right. 21st element from the right hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ninth to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3z%. 3z%. Then R I S 6 5 B R. यही है. ठीक है. Certain number of people are standing in all of them. W fifth to the right of R. इसके अलावा कुछ है हमारे पास. Fourth, sixth, 4, 6, 9, 10. Fourth, 6th, 9th and 10th. Cone, ones. If more than one, Z आ जाएगा क्योंकि cone और ones दोनों बन रहा है. 7 different heights. G is taller than B. A is taller than 3 people. 3 people से taller है. ठीक है ना. और B is taller than A. ठीक है. E is taller than D but shorter than C. F is taller than C. F is taller than C but shorter than B. Then G. 2 3 4 5 6 लोग हैं. तो लेट्स गो फॉर ए से 3 अगर हम डालते हैं तो फिर 3 3 4 5 6 7. 2 3 4 5 6. ए तो सी ई डी डाल दो और जी बी एफ डाल दो. जी बी एफ सी डी तो है, बी बड़ा है इससे. तो फिफ्थ शॉर्टेस्ट A is 150 and G is 200. B. ओके. अब इसको कर लेते हैं. Q डेफिनेटली ट्रू. U बड़ा होना चाहिए Q से. ठीक है. एंड एम बढ़ाना चाहिए एन से, यू बढ़ाना चाहिए क्यू से, एंड एम बढ़ाना चाहिए एन से, दोनों ही आ सकते हैं. Some laptop are mobile, all mobile are telephone, no telephone is a desktop, some TRL. Hmm? No D is M. Hmm? All M are L. Hmm. 1, 2. Only 1, 2 follow. Okay. All C are B. Some C are J. Only few J is S. Some B is J. Hmm? All C being S. C being S is a possibility. Yes. No B is S. Some B. No B is S. Cancel. That's a 1, 2. Okay. चलो ये वाला करते हैं. Few G are C. All C are D. All D are. This is graphs and this is grid. ठीक है. All grid are chart. ठीक है. Some grid are chart. नहीं कह सकता. Some graphs are grids. ये भी नहीं कह सकता. नहीं कह सकता. 1 and 3. चलो अब देखते हैं. एक काम करते हैं. MZ VQ रिकॉर्ड. MZ कहाँ है? MZ इसमें. Mobility simplicity change life, less worry make life is MZ and VQ. Where's VQ? um VQ is simplicity habit rule make. Simplicity है, habit rule make है, habit और rule. List habit rule life rule. Respect prosperity and own. respect इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. SP XC DM. SP DM. A तो नहीं होगा. B SC QZ UI. Respect prosperity own. Prosperity makes simplicity. TM UI XC prosperity. TM UI XC. TM UI XC. TM UI XC. TM UI. UI is तुम्हारा simplicity. UI simplicity है. UI किसी में भी है तो B भी हटा दो. And then C भी हटा दो. D और E. UXC TMSP WA. TMSP respect prosperity own. SP होना चाहिए. TMSP WA. TMSP SP WA. PUXCVQ. चलो अब 12. ये करें क्या, करें कि छोड़ दें? 6, 4 यहाँ पे डालते हैं। 4, 4 यहाँ ना, 4 यहाँ ही डाल सकते हैं। 4 16, 4 से 3 छोड़ के 10, और यहाँ आ सकता है 16, 16 और 14, 14 इन, ठीक है, ये आ सकता है। 4 यहाँ अगर डालते हैं, 2 छोड़ के 16, 16 14 इन, और 4 से 3 छोड़ के 10, यही कर दो। नॉट फेसिंग इनवर्ड्स, इनवर्ड्स नहीं देख रहे हैं। 8 6, 8 6 18, 18, tallest and 18 and shortest flags, tallest and shortest flags, tallest and shortest flags, tallest and 4 when counted from clockwise. छः, sum of 18, 18, fifth 16, 10-meter flag 18, third to the left, 18, 15 to the left, and number is succeeded by an odd number. ये नहीं होगा भाई, मिस तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है बनाने के लिए। 21, 18 बनेगा नहीं फिर। R is सबमिट कर देते हैं। सात गलत, क्या गलत हो गया? इंग्लिश तो इज फाइन, इंग्लिश में 3 गलत हो गया। Decades ago, I used to work throughout. I were walking throughout the college street. Should be replaced with where I were walking through the college street and named further, ये वाला गलत हुआ, और एक ये गलत हुआ, throttle thoughtful, ठीक है, thoughtful मैंने सोचा था। चलो, was wholly intent over करते हैं, intent upon, upon करें, upon सही हो गया। अभी ये वाला गलत हो गया, ठीक है, और इसमें थिंक बीच में कैमरा चला गया ना, ओके, एंड अच्छा इधर और बस में, और ये ठीक है। सो दिस वाज माय मॉक अटेम्प्ट। ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं कह सकते हैं, बट पहले वाले से थोड़ा थोड़ा लिटिल लिटिल ऑन द नॉट ऑन द इजियर साइड। तो आपका ये आरबीआई एडवांस टेस्ट 1 में कितना मार्क्स आया, काइंडली कमेंट डाउन।